सराची गाडी काय हां सर येतात
What do you have observed? कितें जातलें बेगीन?
काम कंप्लीट जातलें. आता कितें काम उरलेलें आहा थोडे मॅन होल्स उरलेले आहा. So it may just take another 4-5 days basically to complete it. But the speed and the work is going on. So we are basically satisfied the way how the work has been going. Most of the work basically will be completed by 31st. That's another 1 day is left. Most of it will be completed. Now rest is what pavements and all that can be done during the monsoon season. What we were afraid of, because in the monsoon that waterlogging and may take. Now as far as 18 June road, still when monsoon comes, waterlogging will take place still. So that road we have not touched. So that road will be done only after the monsoon, because that is the main basically drainage which has got to which is coming from Kundaikar Nagar. Till right it should go near the petrol pump.
Okay, बाबूजी आता फास्ट काम करता पळय लास्ट मोमेंट क्वालिटी जातली
Quality and कामांक is two different things. Quality, what is the specification केलेले आहा quality. What is the quality? What is required to maintain the quality, that has been done. Yeah, engineers are on the job. Yeah, as far as the thing. Plus, there will be a condition for them. If there's anything goes wrong, that they have got to replace it or do it up again.
पण पुढचे काय सफर जावचे ना परतन जर रिप्लेस करचे पडले जाल्यार
हांव कितें म्हणटा जाल्यार that's what I'm trying to say. So no one will be left scot free. So
कितली % कामां आता कंप्लीट झाले अंदाजे?
Now they said that almost 90% कामां कंप्लीट झालेले आहा. Now थोडे मॅन होल्स उरलेले आहात. So another 4-5 दिसांनी जावंक जाय. As far as cafe रियला कडेन बी थिंगा गेल्ले आहा. So that rest what is the footpath and all that can, even if it's not completed, it can be completed during when the rains are. कामां जाली आमकां दिसता न्हू, तुमकांय दिसता न्हू, तुमी पळयलेलें आहा compared to this thing. And now what is the observation has been done even by the Honorable High Court. Honorable High Court judges basically came and visited the site.
Sir, after the rain जी कामां परत सुरू जातली ती मेजरली कंडिशन रस्ते अजून पर्यंत जावनासारखे.
उंचीत काम सुरू एक मेन हें आहा तें वॉटर फ्लो जावपाचो आहा. आता ती आयदी म्हणजे पुर्तुगेज लायन बी आहा. Now we got to basically got to discard that this thing and do a fresh line from Kundaikar Nagar which goes right to the thing, and magit interconnected सगळे असतले. All the other roads will be interconnected to that. So one this thing is left, because that was not a part of the tender earlier.